Want to cancel your consumer cellular service without calling? It's easy. First, log into your account on the Consumer Cellular website or mobile app. Navigate to My Account, then Manage Lines, and finally select Cancel Service. Choose the line you wish to cancel, select a reason for cancellation, and carefully review any applicable fees. Submit your cancellation request. You should receive a confirmation email immediately. Remember to back up any important data before canceling. Online cancellation is available 24/7, offering a quick and convenient way to end your service. Alternatively, use the chat feature on the Consumer Cellular website for cancellation. Type your request, and the AI-powered bot will guide you through the process. If the bot can't resolve your issue, you may be connected to a live agent. Keep in mind that while online chat cancellations are usually straightforward, complex situations like disputes may require phone verification. Upon cancellation, any unused prepaid balances will be refunded within 7 to 10 business days. No long-term contracts exist, so cancellation is effective immediately or at the end of your billing cycle. Make sure to check for two-factor authentication requirements.